So we're in the heart of Sugarcreek, downtown, and we stopped at a little bakery called Esther's Bakery, and we're going to partake of the sweets. The opposite of dieting. It's a pretty good donut. It's a little bit heavy.
Heavy.
It's a little heavy.
On their counter, it says they have the best apple fritters in the state of Ohio. As big as my face. It's really good. I don't ever buy apple fritters.
I like apple fritters. I'm the donut queen of the family. I eat a lot of donuts. It's very chewy. A lot of cinnamon. That's nice.
I think it's really good.
Very good.
I have 3 different stations there. Oh.
Mom got a cinnamon roll.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I wasn't looking at you. I was watching that car out on the street.
You're fine.
It's very, very soft.
You turning.
Yeah.
Want to try the cinnamon? They always brought these to the nursing home.
Now I am watching you.
You're allowed.
Super soft and delicate.